We are pleased to show you the 2015 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, heated front driver and passenger seats, electronic stability control, cargo net, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.